For exam 2, number 7, the question reads, given the following data, construct and interpret a 95% confidence interval for the mean, and the data includes 106, 122, 91, 127, 88, 74, 77, and 108. So to find the mean, you add each number up, then divide by the total amount of numbers. If you add all these numbers of the data up, you receive 793. Then you divide it by the amount of numbers of data provided, which is 8. So you divide by 8. And this equals 99.125. Then, to find the standard deviation, you subtract this mean from each number and then square it. Then add all of those numbers up and you should be getting 2,737. But that's not where you stop. You keep going by dividing this number again by 8 and then taking the square root, and then again by 8, the amount of numbers of data, and then take the square root of it. This should then equal 19.8. That is your standard deviation. And this is your mean. So, after you have found your mean and your standard deviation, your t-value of 0.0025 should equal 2.365. And that is important for the next steps. To find the lower bound curve, you need this formula. You do 99.125 from our mean minus, for the lower bound you subtract, 2.365, our t-value, and then multiply it all by the standard deviation of 19.8 divided by the square root of 8. This then should equal 82.5. And that is for your lower bound curve. Now for the upper bound, it is the same exact formula, except instead of subtracting the t-value, you add the t-value. So again, it would be 99.125, our mean, plus our t-value of 2.365, and then multiplied by 19.8 divided by the square root of 8. And this should equal 115.7. And that is for your upper bound curve. So these are the two different answers for the lower bound and upper bound for a 95% confidence interval. Thank you.